Flying feels expensive, but the real reason might surprise you. Everyone blames fuel, but for a short New York DC flight, your share of the fuel is just $2.50. So why are tickets $80 plus? Because you're also paying for crew salaries, about $1.50 per passenger airport fees, $13.50 taxes and security fees, $15 plus the plane itself, $11.50 maintenance, $14 airline overhead, $10 even insurance adds a few cents. All in, that's about $70. The airline pockets maybe $10 if the plane's full, and here's the thing, flying is actually cheaper than ever. In the last 30 years, ticket prices have dropped 50% after inflation thanks to efficient planes and designs like winglets that save fuel. So next time you're crammed into a seat, remember, most of your ticket goes to keeping that magic metal bird in the air, not into the airline's pockets. Subscribe Aircraft for more hidden truths about aviation